Hello, everyone, and welcome to my English learning podcast. My name is Tom, and I'm very happy to study with you today. Today, we are going inside a big department store to buy some new clothes. Look at this beautiful shop window. There are many nice outfits here. The weather is getting cold, so I need a warm jacket and a comfortable sweater. Let's open a glass door and walk inside together. Wow, this store is very large and bright. There are many different sections for men, women, and children. First, I want to find a men's clothing department. I see a big sign over there that says men's fashion. There are many clothes on the hangers and shelves. A friendly shop assistant is walking towards me. She has a big smile and wants to help me. "Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to our store," she says. I smile back at her and say hello. "How can I help you today?" she asks me nicely. I tell her that I am looking for a casual sweater. She asks me what color I prefer. I tell her that my favorite color is blue. She nods and shows me a wall full of different sweaters. There are dark blue, light blue, and gray options. I really like this soft dark blue sweater here. I take it off the rack to look at it closer. The material feels very good and high quality. It is perfect for autumn and winter days. But I need to check the correct size first. I usually wear a size medium for shirts and sweaters. Let me check the small white tag inside the collar. Yes, this specific blue sweater is a size medium. Let's move to the next step of our shopping trip. I also need a new pair of blue jeans for everyday wear. The shop assistant tells me that the trousers are in the next aisle. We walk together to the back of the store. There are so many pairs of jeans on the tables. Some jeans are black, some are gray, and many are blue. I prefer a classic style without any holes. The assistant asks about my waist size. To be honest, I do not remember my exact size today. She smiles and offers to measure my waist with a tape. It is very kind of her to help me with this. She says my size is a 32 in this brand. She finds a classic blue pair my size very quickly. I hold the jeans up to see the length. They look a bit long, but we can check properly later. The price tag says 35 pounds. That is a very good price for quality jeans. I decide to take them to the changing room. I hold the blue sweater in my left hand. I hold the blue jeans in my right hand. This is a very successful shopping day so far. I also see some nice t-shirts on a special sale. They are buy one, get one free this week. But I already have many simple blue t-shirts at home. I do not need any more t-shirts today. It is important to buy only what you really need. Saving money is always a good idea, my friends. Let's find out where the changing rooms are located. I see a small sign with a mirror icon near the corner. The assistant points in that direction with her hand. Let's go there to try these clothes on. The changing rooms are very clean and quiet. Another employee is standing near the entrance. He counts my items and gives me a plastic number token. The number on my token is 2. I walk into cubicle number 3 because it is open. I close the curtain behind me for privacy. There's a large mirror on the wall and a small stool. I put my heavy backpack on the floor. First, I take off my shoes to try the jeans. I put on the new blue jeans carefully. They fit perfectly around my waist, which is excellent. However, they are indeed a little bit too long at the bottom. I take them off and put them on the stool. Next, I try on the dark blue sweater. I pull it over my head and look in the mirror. Oh dear, this sweater is much too big for me. It looks like a large size, not a medium. The sleeves are covering my hands completely. I'll look at the tag again to check. Ah, someone put a large sweater on the medium hanger by mistake. That happens very often in busy, clothing stores. I need to ask for a smaller size. I open the curtain a little bit and look outside. The assistant is standing nearby, so I call her politely. "Excuse me, can you help me, please?" I ask. "This medium sweater is actually a large." I explain to her. "Could you bring me a small or a real medium, please?" She says, "Of course, give me one moment, sir." She walks away to find the correct item for me. I wait inside my cubicle and relax for a minute. The helpful assistant returns with a new sweater in her hands. "Here's a real size medium for you, sir," she says. I thank her warmly for her great service. I close the curtain again to try it on. This new sweater fits my body perfectly. The shoulders are in the right place and the sleeves are fine. It is very warm, cozy, and soft on my skin. I look at myself in the big mirror and smile. I really like how I look in this dark blue color. I decide to buy this sweater for sure. I still need to find a jacket for the rainy weather. I change back into my own clothes quickly. I open the curtain and step out of the changing room. I return the blue jeans because they were too long. I walk to the front of the store to find jackets. There's a row of waterproof coats near the window. I see a fantastic dark green jacket with a hood. A hood is very useful when it rains in the city. I check the price tag of this green jacket. It costs £50, which is a bit expensive for me. But there is a 20% discount on all jackets today. Let's calculate the final price after the discount. £50 minus £10 is £40. £40 is a very reasonable price for a winter coat. I tried over my clothes to check the fit. It is a bit loose, which is good for wearing sweaters underneath. The pockets are big enough for my phone and keys. I'm very happy with these two items today. I have a great sweater and a warm jacket now. At this moment. Let's go to the cash desk to pay for them. The checkout counters are located near the main entrance. There's a short queue of 3 people ahead of me. Waiting in line gives me time to prepare my wallet. The person in front of me is paying with cash. The cashier is a young lady with glasses. She finishes with the customer and looks at me. "Next customer, please step forward," she says loudly. I walk up to the counter and greet her. "Hello. Did you find everything you needed today?" she asks. I reply that I found a wonderful sweater and a jacket. I place the 2 items on the clean black counter. She takes the sweater and scans the barcode with her laser. The machine makes a loud beep sound. Then she takes the green jacket and scans it too. She types something into her computer screen. "The jacket has a 20% discount today," she reminds me. I nod and tell her that I saw the sign. She removes the plastic security tags from the clothes. Those tags prevent people from stealing items from the shop. "Your total comes to £65, the cashier says. She asks me how I would like to pay for my purchase. I can pay with cash, a credit card, or my smartphone. I prefer to use my contactless credit card for shopping. I tell her that I am paying by card today. She activates the small card terminal on the counter. The screen of the terminal lights up with green letters. I hold my plastic card above the machine for a second. The terminal makes a cheerful beep to confirm the payment. The screen says payment approved in bold letters. Everything is done, and the transaction is complete. The paper receipt prints out of the machine with a buzz. The cashier tears the receipt off and hands it to me. "Would you like a paper bag for your clothes?" she asks. A bag costs 15 pence because the store protects the environment. I tell her that I have my own big backpack with me. I do not need a plastic or paper bag today. I fold the blue sweater neatly and put it inside my bag. I fold the green jacket and put on top of the sweater. I put the paper receipt safely into my wallet. It is important to keep receipts if you want to return items later. Most stores give you 28 days to return your clothes. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day, I tell the cashier. Thank you. Enjoy your new clothes, she replies happily. I zip up my backpack and put it on my shoulders. I walk towards the automatic glass doors of the department store. The doors open by themselves when I step close to them. I walk out into the street, and the cool air hits my face. I am very glad that I have a new warm outfit. Shopping in English is a fantastic way to practice your vocabulary. Today we learned words like size, tag, discount, changing room, and cash desk. Try to use these useful phrases next time you go shopping. Practice makes perfect, so do not be afraid to speak English. You can listen to this episode again to remember the sentences. Write down the new words in your vocabulary notebook. Share this podcast with your friends who are also learning English. Thank you for listening to my stories and studying with me. You're doing a great job. Keep up the amazing work. I will see you in the next episode of our podcast series. Have a great day. Take care and goodbye for today. Goodbye. Happy learners and see you very soon.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.